Good morning guys. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. I forgot kung anong date today, but today is Sunday. And maaga ako nagising. I think I woke up before 5 o'clock in the morning because I need to do all my work. I'm working on Master 4 and assessment guide. And I'm not feeling really good. I have a little bit of symptoms, but then negative naman siya sa COVID. I have a lot of antigen tests here from work. So if you are Sydney and kailangan mo to, please comment below. I'm happy to share. And it's currently 9:16 in the morning. And we're going to Ikea today. I need a break. I'm so stressed. And I think we're going to Rhodes Shopping Center. There's one Ikea there. We're gonna go and look for mattress. Oh, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And also, I received some thing from Catch.com. This one is like it's like Shopee and Lazada, Pilipinas. And this is not for me. I'm selling this. So, hindi na masyado ako pupunta sa okay. Because it takes a lot of time. So, I just do. Because sometimes in Catch, mayroon silang 70% off, 80% off sometimes. So, I shop there and then sell it. Meron pa akong parating na I think 5 or 7 items. This one, I bought it for 70% off. Maganda siya guys. Try nyo, Catch. And because I am a member, so I don't pay for shipping fee. Oh, I think I'm gonna use it. And this is a biker shirt. And cup. Ooh, Tommy Hilfiger. Let's see, pagkasya sa akin ay susuot ko to. Malaki kasi ang ulo ko guys. Pero wala namang laman. Ah, nice. This one is, see, Australian dollar 50, I don't know if you could see, 59.95. New Zealand dollar is 69.99. But I got it for $10, $9.70 something. And this one is a biker shirt. Oh, what size is this? Size 10. Ay, ang thick pa rin niya. Ang ganda. Hindi to kasya sa akin. I'm size 12. So this one, I think 25, and I got it for $7. And also this one is the pants, I think. Chino pants. Yeah. 89.99. And I got it for $19. How cool is that? I'm gonna sell this for probably 30 chino pants. This one is very nice. I like it. Pero hindi to kasya sa akin. I'm pretty sure. It's size 10 again. I'm size 12. When I first came to Australia, I'm size 7. I'm size 8. Or sometimes malaki pa yung size 8. Now, I'm size 12 and 14. Ang ganda niya. So, this one, bibinta natin to guys. Side hustle. Marami pa ako dito. Look at that. Ibenta ko din to. Ibenta ko din to. And ibenta ko din to. I have a lot of stuff to sell. Alright, so see you in Ikea in a bit. We are here, Rhodes Waterside Shopping Center. Welcome to Ikea. You know the tricks here, guys. Dito ka sa entrance, pero hindi ka pwedeng lumabas dito. Kailangan mo pumasok and then umikot-ikot. And then doon sa checkout ka lalabas. Marketing. We're gonna have breakfast here. Oh. On coffee. Oh, hang on 1 second. I think you need to queue up here. Haha, that's interesting. You get your tree. Oh, look at the pancake. Okay, you get a tray and a trolley and then you queue up. You get your tray. May mga ready to eat then. Salmon, what's this? Potato salad. And healthy options. Avocado. Nice. Ice cream 50 cents. You can get it. Apple cake for 80. 50 cents for cream. There's a pan. Donuts. So here you can have your coffee. Bumili din ako ng chocolate. Oh, kain guys. I'm happy I have pancake. Blueberry pancake. Yummy.
Nice, yeah. Good.
Oh. try one stuff? Is that omelette?
Yeah.
Can I get one?
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, there's nothing inside. It's a blueberry pancake. This is nice. Cabinet. Oh, spacious. Look. I like white. Can we get one of this? Yeah, you read a book. Can I try? Oh, heaven. I need one of this, but can I get one of this for our new house? How much is this one? Only $749. $749. I can't afford it. Yeah, we go that way later. Joe's scared to get lost in Ikea. I love getting lost. So nice here. Oh, I wish I have a lot of money. I want to buy. In Ikea, you have to follow the arrow. The lady said to the husband, "It's not enjoyable to go shopping with you." I can't relate. 35. Okay, let's go this way. Cushion. We bought our cushion here. Remember last time? Yeah. Ang gaganda ng mga rugs nila dito. This one is $2. 13 by 18. You are wonderful. Love yourself.
250.
Yeah. You are made of magic. Ride the wave. Malapit na tayo sa checkout area. Mahabang lakaran, guys. Plants. Fake plants. Is it fake? Fake? Oh, it's real. Orchids. 22. Oh, it's cheaper here than in Harris Farm. Yeah, in Harris Farm it's $40. Can we get one?
You want this?
Yeah. How much is the small? How come it's the same price? 22. This is 29. So it's it's a big Ikea. Okay, so we are now here at the checkout area. We need to buy some meatballs. The Swedish meatballs. gonna buy meatballs now. Yummy, yummy. Oh. You wanna get the chicken? Where is the chicken?
Chicken.
What about this one?
I don't know what it is. No, that's some strong ginger. I don't know what it is.
We're gonna get one chicken. And
It's gonna be longer.
we're out now. I'm gonna buy train for my husband.
$339. This one.
You buy me chocolate for $1.80 and she asked me
That
to
was my name day today.
and he asked me to buy him train for $300. Bye bye Ikea. Are on our way home. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, anytime. Bye.